According to industry sources, the central government may not go for a blanket ban on cryptocurrencies in India. To regulate cryptocurrency trading in the country, the central government is set to bring in a new bill during the upcoming winter session in the parliament. The center had earlier formed the panel to study the issues related to digital currencies and propose specific actions regarding the crypto coins. The much awaited cryptocurrency bill is likely to prohibit all the private cryptocurrencies in India, with certain exceptions, according to the bulletin mentioned in the Lok Sabha website. The inter-ministerial panel has recommended that all private cryptocurrencies, except any virtual currencies issued by state, will be prohibited in India, according to reports. However, industry experts believe that there will not be a blanket ban on cryptocurrency in India. There is no reason to panic. There is no reason to panic sell at this moment. The market cap of Bitcoin is more than $1 trillion US. Over the years, it has transformed from being a speculative instrument to a store of value. All other cryptocurrencies are compared with Bitcoin for reference. Government had earlier stated that they were looking to categorize crypto based on use cases. Cryptocurrency counters in Indian exchange plunged sharply after the reports that said that government is coming out with a bill that would ban most private tokens. In rupee terms, Bitcoin fell as much as 17%. Ethereum was down 14%. Dogecoin was down over 20% and Polkadot was down 14%. Even dollar-pegged token Tether was down nearly 17%, as per the data available on WazirX showed. So while the regulation is essential to ensure that the cryptocurrencies are regulated by the state, there is no reason to panic. We must wait for the outcome of the bill. Most of the details of the bill are still not publicly available in the public domain. So it is imperative to wait for the outcome. Let us not jump to the conclusions and avoid selling cryptos at this moment just because you are panicked for the uncertainty that we have.